quick and easy. Is my everyday look, guys. It's my everyday look.
Wow, believe for the soft ba ba ba.
Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Patient, known as Yahoo Ola. On this channel I do a whole lot of beautiful stuff. I do cooking recipe, I do makeup tutorial like the one you are seeing right now. I also do vlogs, I do unboxing, I do reaction, I do lifestyle, I do beautiful stuff interesting. Or if you find my channel interesting, please do consider subscribing, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified whenever I upload a video. And to my old subscribers that keep coming back to my channel, thank you all so much. You guys are the real MVP. Yes guys, you are the real MVP. You heard me guys, you heard me. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate my old and new subscribers for always coming to my channel to support me. Thank you all so much, and may God bless you all for me. Amen. Alright guys, so today's video is a requested video. Subscribers, they said they want to know or see how I create my look, my everyday look, like the look that you guys have been seeing on my video. So, and I thought I should come and share with you guys today, and let's just get started without wasting much of your time. And some of my beautiful friends want me to do a tutorial on how I create the look, so that is exactly what I am showing you guys now. So I'm just making sure the concealer, they are all like they sit well on my eye. Most things that I'm going to be using are my old palettes, my old stuff that I'm going to be using, because that is what I use every day to create my everyday look. So first of all, so without staying much on this look today, so I'm just going to use it's just a very calm color. I don't want it harsh, because it's everyday look and I want it so calm and beautiful, just exactly the way you guys have been seeing it on my video. So yeah, I'm going to go in with this color here. Palette I'm using is Osh Beauty NG. You guys must have seen this in most of my videos. I'm always using it every time. I've already taken the color, so I'm just going to start from the outer corner of my eye. I'll first of all just be dabbing it in bit by bit. I don't know if that's the right word. So then I'll now be dragging it inside my inner eye. I hope you guys can see what I am doing. So I'm just going to go in with the same color and do the same thing on this side. I'm just dabbing it in like I do on the other side. So now I'm going to be dragging in bit by bit. I'm just bringing it out from the back side because I don't want it to, another brush to brush off the excess from my eyes, from the eyelid, because I don't want it that much. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. With this color here, just to calm the look, I'm going to go in with this color here. So that's what I'm going to go in with right now. So I'm just going to put it here. going to do the same thing on this side as well. Just blend everything together. Cleaning of the ash line. So I'm just brushing it softly. I don't want it another brush to clean out the front part. You guys see what I'm doing, right? And then the outer side of it. So I'm just going to put it here. So this is the facial wipe that I use. I bought it from drugstore before the lockdown. Cleansy facial wipe. This is the facial. I don't know if you guys can see, guys. Can you guys see? Yeah, this is what I use every day for my face. So I've taken one. I'm just going to use it to wipe off my face. I've not applied any moisturizer on my face at all. So sorry guys. I hope you guys can see what I am doing. This is the mascara I'm using for my everyday. It's called False Lash Queen. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, mascara is very good. I love it. It's my everyday thing. Like, I love it. The glue that I'm using, this is the glue. I use the white glue. I used to use the black one, the black glue for lashes. just trying to make sure they are in place. Apply my moisturizer. This is what I'm using. I have different coat. So I'm done with that now. My pink lips cream. This is what I apply on my lips all the time, morning and night, to moisturize my lips. And it smells so good. Foundation, like I said before, is my old foundation. I love this foundation, guys. It's from Zaron. I love this foundation. It's almost finished. So yeah, this is what I'm using. Is in FZ15. I don't know if you guys going to see it. Can you guys see? So this is what I use. I use different kind of foundation, but this one, I love this foundation. Blend it, because blending is key. Blending is key, guys. I'm going to apply my concealer. I'm going to use a lighter shade in LA Get Pro concealer in creamy beige. So I'm going to be using that. I'll show it to you guys in a minute. So this is what I'm going to be using. LA Get Pro concealer. I don't know if you guys can see it. In creamy beige. So that's what I'm going to be. Sasha butter. So I'm just using the small one just to apply it on my face, the area that I put in the concealer. So that's where I'm putting all this now. So this is it. So I'm just going to apply it on my lips, and that is it. This is it, guys. This is it. So right now I'm still going to go in with the same spray to spray my face. Guys, this is the finished look of this makeup tutorial today, and I hope you guys really enjoy watching the tutorial today. And I'm so happy and glad that a lot of my beautiful friends requested for this video, and I hope I delivered well, and I hope you guys learned 1 or 2 things from this tutorial. So guys, this is basically my everyday go-to look. Like, this is what I do for myself every day. Sometimes I do change the eyeshadow color. Sometimes I don't even put any eyeshadow at all. I just only after I clean my brows, I add in my concealer on my eyelid, and then I use my settling powder to set my eyeshadow, my eyelid, and then that's just it. I don't even add anything to it sometimes, and then the rest of it is just the way I do it all the time. And again, guys, I do not have one specific lipstick that I use on my lip. I can use different type of lipstick because I have different colors of lipstick, but of recent I just found myself loving this nude lipstick. It's not that maybe it's a lipstick anyway, like you guys saw the way I did it. Sometimes I use my concealer, sometimes I use my foundation. So the ones that you guys have been seeing, I've been using my foundation on my lips, and then after that I just add in my plain lip gloss on it, and that's it. I'm ready to go. So that is basically the secret that I'm using in doing my, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. And please, so guys, you can do this every day. It's very easy. It's very easy. You can do this every day. So this is the secret of my lippy and my makeup. So I'm glowing, yes. All right guys, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, remain blessed. I love you all so much. Thank you all for loving my channel. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate it. So guys, talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.